Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this is a 4-layer detachable basket and we're going to assemble that right here, right now. So I've got it, I took it out of the box. Oop, you guys can't see me here. There we go. And here we have it, a rolling little cart. Very cool. You can put anything you want in it, like that. Very good. It rolls, and you can lock the wheels with the little things down there, but I like it. Thumbs up.